In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make your synthetic wig look as natural as possible. The wig I'm going to be using today is from UniWigs, and this is her. She is blonde, she is long, and she is thick. This is a heat-resistant synthetic wig, and it's only a lace front, so it's not a full lace wig, but doesn't mean we can't make it look real. The reason I chose this wig is because being platinum blonde, my hair over the years has gotten fine, I've gotten a bit of damage, and when I want my hair to look luxurious and thick, I reach for this bad boy. When you receive the unit, it will come with extra lace at the front, but I have cut that off because I have worn her before. It has a clip at the front, on the sides, and on the back. Now let's get started on putting this in our hair. So firstly, you're going to want to take a wig cap. This is provided in the box when your unit is delivered to you. So what I'm going to do is just take all of my hair and put this over and onto my neck. I'm then going to just push my hair back with my fingers and put her a little bit past my roots, and then stretch the wig cap so that all of my hair is covered inside, and then wiggle it around so that it is nice and flush and as flat as you can get it to your head. The next thing to do is grab your unit, and I like to put her behind my head, stretch it out with my fingers, and then I'm going to put it right at the front and then pull it over all of my hair at the back, making sure that my ears are not covered. I'm then going to wiggle her around, and I'm going to leave a little bit of hair of my own at the front. And then to make it look the most realistic, I'm going to take some of my own hair out to blend it in with the wig. So I'm going to take a comb like this and just start pulling. This is why I sat the wig cap a little bit further than right on my hairline. And then just repeat the same onto the other side. And then you just want to make sure none of the actual wig hair is stuck underneath. So just use your comb to pull any of that out. Once you're happy with the amount of hair that you've pulled out of your own, it's time to secure the clips that are in the wig. I'm going to try not to move the wig too much while securing them, so always remember where the clips are placed. Because the colour of my hair is a lot lighter than the root colour of the wig, I'm going to take some eyeshadow and I'm just going to colour in my own hair to make it as dark as the wig colour to blend that in. So in my Kat Von D Shade and Light palette, I'm just going to take this darker colour here, mix it with a little bit of this light cool brown colour, and then a bit of the yellow because there's still golden tones even though the brown is very ashy. So I'm just going to kind of mix them all together and whack it on my hair and see how we go. Once you've completely coloured it all in, you may find that you've lost your part line. There are a lot of different ways you can adjust this part line. A lot of people like to use concealer. A lot of people like to pluck some of the hair out to make the part line look a little bit wider. I tend to avoid that option because I find it so easy to over pluck, and then you've completely ruined your wig. So what I'm going to do is take some powder foundation and just apply that into the part and on my part to make it look like a little bit more of skin colour. You want to make sure that your part line is in line with the wig's part line. Because this wig is only new, she is quite voluminous. As you keep styling it and as you keep wearing it, that is going to flatten. So you'll find every time you go to wear it, it'll be a little bit easier to blend in. And that is my wig completely done. I can put it behind my ear and you still see my natural hair that blends in with it, which is the key tip to making your wig look super natural. I'll show you just how long she is. So yeah, that is the end of this tutorial. If you liked it, please give me a thumbs up and comment any questions down below. Thanks for watching. Bye.